Hello everyone. In this video, we see Mikhail Tal's amazing game. This game was played in 1949 in Riga. Mikhail Tal play with black pieces and Janis Klevins play with white pieces. So white starts with e4, e6 French defense, d4, d5 French defense normal variation, knight c3, d takes e4 French defense Rubinstein variation. Knight takes e4, knight f6, bishop d3, and Tal exchange his knight. Knight takes knight, bishop takes knight, c5, c3, and support this pawn. C takes d4, c takes d4, bishop b4 check, king f1, knight c6, knight f3, queen c7, g3. So white want to move his king on g2, then free this rook. Bishop d7, a3. Create pressure on bishop. So Tal move his bishop on d6, b4, and also preparing for bishop b2. e5. Open the bishop's diagonal, and the threat is clear. And also create pressure on this pawn. D takes e5, bishop takes e5, and the pressure on rook. Rook a2, and Tal continue his attack. Bishop h3 check, king g1, and now king has no mouse, so king is trapped. Rook d8, create pressure on queen. Queen e2, knight d4, create pressure on queen and knight, and also create pressure on bishop. So this is multiple threats on white. This f1 square is covered by bishop. If queen on e1, then f5 comes and pressure on bishop. And after bishop moves from this diagonal, knight takes knight is mate. So white can't move his bishop from here. But white take this knight, knight takes knight, and Mikhail Tal's final move. Queen takes bishop, and after queen takes bishop, white resigned here. If queen move to e1, then queen takes queen is mate. And also if queen d1 or c1 comes, then queen takes queen is mate. So after queen takes bishop check, white resigned here.